Hello and welcome back. So this is Monica, and she is here with us in the studio slash lab. It's actually a lab. I've never called it a studio. And today, something very special has happened. She's been waiting about a week, 2 weeks, maybe?
Very, very long time.
Yeah, too long. But after sending her old 2400G in for an RMA, AMD has sent us, and by us I mean her, a 3400G in return for her 2400G. So brand new CPU. I actually don't know anything about it because I've never done any research. And you would be like, hey, how come you did research before you made this video? And it's because I'm lazy. But some guy on the internet told me that there's about a 30% difference in performance between this and her old CPU. I don't know if that's true or not, but it should be better than what you had before.
Okay. Well, you told me it was going to be better, so I was just like, all right. I'm just really happy to be able to have my computer back.
That's the important part. So anyway, one of the downsides to all this stuff is I'm going to make you install your own CPU.
Mm-hmm.
So are you ready to do that?
Yeah.
Have you ever done anything like that before?
I did it when we were testing stuff for my old one.
Oh yeah, I forgot you were here actually for that.
Yeah.
My bad. Alright, well we're going to do it this time again anyway. So go ahead and crack this bad boy open. And I think I said crap.
You said cut.
I don't know. So go ahead and crack this bad boy open, and we'll get it installed. Alright, so go ahead and do your thing. Open it up, or whatever.
That wasn't the same thing that you said last time.
So for those of you, hey, don't comment on my camera work. So those of you that may not be familiar with this build, you can check it out up here somewhere, and familiarize yourselves.
I wanted a knife, but you said that you'd hand me tools when I needed them.
Sorry, I kind of forgot what I was supposed to be doing.
That felt good.
So cinematic.
Was it? I don't think it was. It smells good. That's my comment. And it looks pretty. Computers always look really pretty.
And they always smell good. I always love smelling my parts.
It's like a new book. That you open.
The subtle smile of happiness. Don't be camera shy.
I am very happy.
So what is this? Do you know what this is called?
This is the desync or whatever. It's the cooler part.
Heat sink. That's
Heat
right.
sink.
Don't touch that thermal paste.
I wasn't gonna.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
Alright, so what we need to do is put in the CPU into the motherboard first, and I kind of forgot about this, but the backplate's actually fallen beneath the motherboard, and our heatsink won't reach those screws in there. So Monica is going to put in the CPU first.
I'm gonna lift this little doodad.
Good memory.
And then I'm gonna plop this in this direction.
Now, did that seat right? Because it didn't sound like it did. Yeah, that's in there good.
Okay.
So we're going to have to lift this up. Alright, so you hold this, and take this because you're going to need it. So
This is screwed in right here.
Alright, well unscrew it.
Okay.
Good call, because I wasn't paying attention.
Okay.
I'm not on point today at all.
I can tell.
Yeah. So she's like actually corrected me like 5 or 6 times on things I've missed. One was the retention arm, the screws. I don't even remember the other thing, but I don't know. She's called me out a few times.
I haven't.
All right, cool. Wow, I cannot grab it.
Do you want my little hands to do it?
All right, there we go. All right, so I'm gonna hold this up as I really break my arm here.
Oh, I thought we were just gonna take out the motherboard.
Nah, I don't feel like doing all that.
Okay.
Because then we have to replug in all these cables and stuff, and it's kind of a pain in the arse.
Okay. I'll just try to keep this. Does this matter which way it goes, just like this?
It doesn't really matter, but I kind of, so see the logo, the AMD logo? So when you're looking into the case, so this is the upside, personally, I have a taste of which way I read this logo, so it's up to you. So you can either do it this way or this way.
Okay. Well, I'm going to do it this way.
Yeah, do your thing.
Well, actually, yeah, I'll do it this way.
So just screw it in a little bit, just enough to like keep it in place. And then we'll put the motherboard down and screw the motherboard in before we finish. Alright, cool. Now do the other side. There you go. Nice work. Looks like you've watched some videos before.
I watch all of your videos.
Oh, you're so sweet. Pretty sure you're lying, but that's okay.
I watch all of your videos. And I liked and comment all of them too. Most of them.
Alright, that should be good. We'll need those 4 screws. I'll plug in the motherboard while you grab those.
These? To screw in the motherboard?
Yeah. So we only have 4, so you're gonna need 1. I'd recommend here. I feel like I don't even need to do anything.
I watch all of your videos.
I'd recommend 1 like here.
Yeah. I only have 2 of these, by the way.
Really?
Yeah. You only took out 2. Maybe you lost mine when you were doing testing before.
I don't lose anything.
You just have extras.
That was actually in your bag of goodies.
Do you want to do one right here?
Yeah, I always try to do the 4 corners as best, or as many corners as possible.
My bag of goodies?
Yeah, so you brought your bag with the keyboard, mouse, monitor, and so I put those in there.
Oh,
so,
that one?
Yes.
I brought everything. When I was like, Stefano, my computer is broken. Help me.
So this is magnetic.
Oh, it fell off earlier, so I thought it wasn't.
Maybe we were too shaky.
I might have...
Maybe it's losing its magnetism. Ha! I'm not a liar. It is magnetic. maybe that's just not magnetic. Only barely. Don't breathe. What did I say? Oh, that was me! So we're going to switch tools and use iFixit because iFixit is good at this stuff. Also not sponsored by iFixit here.
Yet.
Wishful thinking. Thoughts and prayers, please. I don't know what this is. It's a thing somewhere. There.
I didn't see any of your motions.
That's fine. Stay focused.
I am focused. Look, it's a magnet.
How do they work?
I don't know. Beautiful.
Is that all the screws? Yeah.
You want to do all 6? I thought
Yeah,
you
those
wanted to do 4.
All those screws belong to you, so just go ahead and plop them all in there.
Okay.
Free ad space for iFixit. What we should do is bleep out every time I say iFixit, and then be like, yo, beep, if you want your beep featured in this video. Wait, tool, we don't have to beep tools. I don't even know what I'm talking about. I'm out here on my feet, barely.
Hey, Beep, if you want your screwdriver to be featured in our videos, hit us up. Email me.
I think you did good. Yeah, that's pretty good.
Okay.
Alright, so I screwed this up, so I gotta fix it real quick.
Where does this plug in?
So that will plug into your CPU fan header. I don't know where it is on your board because I'm not looking at it. Most of the time they're right here.
Oh,
that was
no.
coincidental pointing, I swear.
Oh, I should have did the other way.
Okay, well you can always just do this.
Well, it won't look pretty.
We'll make it pretty. I just want to let you know you have 2 hands.
This one's holding a tool.
Do I need to move my hand?
No, you're good. I don't know if I'm putting that in right.
Yeah, I have a lot of trouble with that too.
Oh, there it goes. That was just giving me a lot of resistance.
That's what she said? Alright, so I guess go ahead and turn your computer on for the first time, because we literally haven't done it. Oh, looks like some of the fan stuck. Turn it off. Off to a great first boot. Alright.
There was nothing wrong with it. It was just the wire hitting the fan, or the fan hitting the wire.
Turn the power off on the back.
Oh, okay.
Everyone's going to know your username now and want to play games with you.
I think that'll be fine. Virus threat protection. Okay. What do you want me to do?
Just play whatever game you want. Play any game you would normally play.
I think that the last time I was on my computer, Overwatch uninstalled itself because it was going through all the problems. So I don't think that'll be on. So I'll probably have to boot like Half-Life or something.
If it makes you feel any better, Overwatch is installed, and I installed it for you.
Okay. Before all the problems happened, at least. It was really fast.
You know what we actually need to do? And I just thought of this. We actually need to change the RAM profile, probably. And also, like, tweak the BIOS a little bit.
Okay.
But you should be able to at least play it and not crash on you.
Do you want me to do this still? Or do you want to...
Yeah, it wouldn't hurt.
It is lagging a little bit, and it never did that before. You see that?
Yeah, that lag looks terrible. Alright, so now that we got the graphics drivers installed, hopefully this thing reboots up, and it looks like it is, and then hopefully it actually works this time instead of you not being able to play at all. So that's kind of what we're waiting for. Big
Hopefully.
letdown on your first go.
Yeah, just a little tiny bit, but it'll be okay.
Yep. And that's the trials and tribulations of being a system builder.
Oh, that looks different. Does it? A little bit. That's fine.
it does look a little bit sharper than before.
Oh, that looks better.
Okay, that's what it should look like.
Yeah.
It's not as nearly as fuzzy now. Go into options real quick. So you were playing on low before this.
Yeah.
Does it look, to me it looks really good already compared to what I remember. Does that look any better than you remember?
It kind of looks good.
Kind of looks good? I think it looks better.
I think it looks better too. I've been kind of down on my luck with money issues lately because my car decided to poop itself. And then I'm moving, so that's why I'm really glad AMD sent me a replacement.
Yeah, it is pretty cool that they did send you a 3400G. But, spoiler alert, I almost poked you in the eye, literally. So one of these people I know on Twitter, his name is Scott, has offered you a GTX 970. It is not here, so we can't put it in here today, unfortunately. And supposedly it's coming, and if it does, it's all yours. Mostly because of all the trouble you've been having. For anyone who is curious about the benchmark results from when we initially built this system with the 2400G back in 2018, here are the benchmark results from those 3 games at stock speeds and overclock speeds. Now here's a chart of the 3400G essentially versus the 2400G at stock and overclocked. Now we chose not to overclock the 3400G because we didn't really see the need for it, as she will be getting a GTX 970 in the future. And as you can see, the 3400G does pretty well against the overclocked 2400G in some regard. Alright, so we got everything figured out. You played games, and how did you like it?
Everything looked really better, other than the first mishap when we first booted it up. It was running at 30 FPS, and then we fixed that. So.
Yeah, exactly. So you played a little Overwatch, and could you tell a difference at all?
It looks beautiful. It looks a lot better. It runs better, in my opinion.
Yeah, we're seeing about anywhere between 62 to 70 frames on the medium preset, so there's probably still some adjusting she can do to improve that if she wants, or make it look better if she even care. And also there's tons of settings that we kind of looked at with the AMD Radeon GUI, whatever, Adrenaline software, whatever it's called. And there's also overclocking, which you don't really have to do because you'll be getting the GPU, so it's not a big deal. And then, yeah, I don't know. I think we kind of covered some of the games you play, or at least 2 actually, but I don't know.
I don't play a lot of games.
You have a lot of games, but you probably haven't played them before because the old system wasn't really up to par.
Probably.
I have a feeling that'll change in the future, which is cool, especially when she gets the 970. I think that'll help out a lot. I'm not sure how much, but I don't even know how it compares to the 3400G, but it should be a nice thing to have anyway, a dedicated GPU.
It'll be really nice.
And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope you enjoy it, and thanks again for AMD sending us a better CPU, or APU actually, and good luck, have fun, and all that jazz.
Yep. Thank you.
All right, see y'all later.